Okay, so it finally is here, and I checked the Amazon, and it was like either the door or left of the porch. I'm like, the fuck, left of the porch? So I turn around to the fence, and there it is. I'm like, what the fuck? But good. What a weird place to put it. But I'm just glad I got them. And here they are. Oh my God. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, oh my God. Gee! Awesome. Excellent. And I'll get Scrapper on Tuesday. All right. Awesome condition. Very, very good. Very awesome indeed. So it does say 1 of 5, right? So this is number 1. And this is number 2. So the next one might be number 3, which would be Silverbolt. So that's how they're doing it. Now, what number? Do they have numbers on this for age of the primes? Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. They don't have the numbers. How interesting. Okay, I guess they're not doing the numbering. Like Earthrise or Kingdom or Legacy or, you know, all the legacies thing. All right, I'm going to get some scissors, unbox these, and show them off in my next video. Yes!